Hey, today's lesson is about a short clip from Frozen.
Let's watch the video and discuss it afterwards.
Нашла!
Спасибо. А где это мы?
Похоже, в пещере без выхода.
Ну, зато с темным, зловещим и пугающим входом. Идем, здесь не страшно. Если только мы не застрянем навечно, ты не умрешь с голоду, а я от тоски. Но могу тебя порадовать. Эльзе сейчас намного лучше, чем нам.
Нашла.
Нашла is used when you find something you've been looking for. It's an exclamation and is quite similar to when you say found it in English. Except in Russian, you don't use the pronoun it, it's only found. Нашла is a past tense verb and is derived from the word находить. When verbs are used in the past tense, they change their endings to reflect either gender or number of the noun. Нашла refers to Anna, hence the verb ending la, which reflects the feminine noun. If the noun was masculine, it would be нашел, and its plural form is нашли.
А где это мы?
А где это мы?
Где мы simply means where are we, and the words а and это are only used to add an emphasis. They don't really change the meaning. They might seem unnecessary, but using these words is what sets the native speech apart. In Russian, there are many ways to say the same thing, which makes it so rich and allows for variety in your speech.
Похоже, в пещере без выхода.
Похоже.
It seems, похоже. Another word you would come across that has the same meaning is the word кажется. Похоже, we are in a cave with no exit. Пещера is a cave. In English, you say a cave with no exit. In Russian, you say without exit. Без выхода.
Ну, зато с темным, зловещим и пугающим входом.
Но зато.
Но зато are two separate words, но and зато, but you can often see them being used together. Но and зато are called союзы in Russian. There are plenty of grammar rules for both of them, but more generally they're used to contrast one clause with another in a sentence. Here are the examples to illustrate this.
Я приехал поздно, зато с подарком. I arrived late, but I brought a gift.
Я приехал поздно is the first clause and is contrasted with the second clause, зато с подарком. Here's another example.
Я месяц сидела на диете, но вес не ушел.
Despite the difference in the way these words are used, in English they are conveyed by one single word. The choice between no and зато depends on the situation, the context in which they're used. In the first example, I arrived late, the clause talks about something negative, but I brought a gift. The second clause is positive. There is a trade-off, something good we receive that offsets the bad in the first clause. Зато doesn't have a direct English equivalent. The closest expression I can think of is on the flip side. Here's another example.
Я целый день провел на кухне, зато приготовил мамино любимое блюдо.
The flip side of spending so much time in the kitchen is that I made my mom's favorite dish. With зато, we want to signify that despite the problems, we received something good in return. With но, the opposite is true. The second clause is negative. Я месяц сидела на диете, но вес не ушел. Despite the efforts I put in the first clause, I could not lose weight. When no and зато are used together, no acts as an emphasis for зато. Anna and Olive are in a cave with no exit. The clause entails something negative. Зато with темным, зловещим и пугающим entrance. There's an entrance, so it's a trade-off. Notice that Olive describes the entrance as темный, зловещий и пугающий. It's not a trade-off in and of itself, the existence of an entrance is. Пещера без выхода, зато со входом. Cave with no exit, зато with entrance. Also, don't forget to use a comma before зато and но.
Идем, здесь не страшно.
Идем.
The alternative way you could say this is пошли or пойдем. There's really no big difference between them. It's a phrase of encouragement, a request to go somewhere. Quite literally, it's the same as saying come on or let's go in English.
Если только мы не застрянем навечно, ты не умрешь с голоду, а я от тоски.
This sentence is sloppy. It's sometimes the case with movies that were dubbed in another language. They sound off, so this is one of the examples.
Но могу тебя порадовать. Эльзе сейчас намного лучше, чем нам.
Могу тебя порадовать.
Means I've got good news for you. Эльзе сейчас намного лучше, чем нам.
Лучше, чем нам indicates that someone has it better.
Thank you for watching this video. I also would like to thank everyone for the support this channel received over the past 2 years. Even though no new posts were made, I'm grateful to everyone who subscribed and left encouraging comments. Let me know what you think about these lessons and how you think they can be improved. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Пока-пока.